Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create posters on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is, first of all, you can just go to the search bar and input the keyword posters, or you can choose home, go to templates, marketing, and then the same poster. So let's say you have a skincare business, you can click on this skincare business to customize it. You can also choose for a drink. Let's assume you have a drink business. You can customize this drink templates to suit your business purpose. So there are so many there are so many detailed templates for you to choose from. All you have to do is to search for it properly. And also you can input depends on the business. Let's say gym, I can say gym posters. Let's say I own a gym business and I want to design a poster, so this will give me streamline my choice and I can design it from here. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.